It is important to recognize that AI agents and large language models such as ChatGPT or Claude serve different purposes and operate in distinct ways. While LLMs excel at generating language-based responses by predicting text based on the static data they were trained on, they are primarily limited to tasks that involve understanding and producing human language. These models provide valuable assistance in answering questions, drafting content, and engaging in conversations. But they lack the capability to directly interact with external systems or execute real-world actions. AI agents, on the other hand, go beyond the scope of simple language generation. They are designed to interact dynamically with a variety of tools, systems, and databases in real time. And unlike LLMs, AI agents can access external resources, retrieve up-to-date information, and perform tasks autonomously. This allows them to orchestrate complex workflows, manage multiple tasks simultaneously, and even automate entire processes across different platforms. For instance, an AI agent could not only draft an email but also send it, schedule meetings by checking calendars, book venues, place orders, or track project progress, and all the while interacting with relevant data sources and updating itself based on the new information. This makes AI agents far more versatile and capable when it comes to performing actions and tasks that require more than just text generation. In essence, while LLMs generate responses based on what they know, AI agents actively engage with the world around them, carrying out tasks, interacting with other systems, and responding to changing conditions. This distinction highlights the broader functionality of AI agents, particularly in applications requiring automation and interaction with real-world processes. AI agents are sophisticated problem solvers, capable of planning, executing, and learning from their actions. They consist of several key components that work together to achieve goals efficiently and autonomously. AI agents begin with a specific goal and develop a detailed plan to accomplish it. This involves breaking the goal into smaller, manageable tasks and strategizing the most efficient way to complete each one. This step ensures that the agent can tackle complex problems in an organized manner, adjusting its approach based on the requirements of each task. And unlike traditional language models, AI agents can interact with a variety of tools and external resources. They can browse the internet, access databases, and use APIs to gather information or perform specific tasks. This makes them much more versatile and capable of handling real-world operations, from putting the latest market data to making purchases or reservations. AI agents have the ability to store and access information relevant to their tasks, such as company data or recent market research. Techniques like retrieval augmented generation, that is RAG, allow them to integrate external resources and provide up-to-date, accurate responses. This capability gives AI agents a dynamic edge over static models, enabling them to draw on both stored knowledge and real-time information. Beyond generating responses, AI agents can autonomously perform tasks such as writing reports, composing emails, managing applications, or even communicating with other AI agents designed for specific functions. Their ability to execute these actions without human intervention sets them apart from passive AI systems, transforming them into active participants in complex workflows. Designing a system around AI agents offers significant advantages in terms of speed and flexibility. Unlike tuning a model or preparing data for RAG, processes that can be time-consuming and restrictive, AI agents can quickly adapt to new goals or tasks. They leverage their planning and reasoning abilities to devise solutions and then execute those solutions using external tools like search engines, calculators, or task management software. In contrast to traditional AI systems that simply respond to queries, AI agents take a more agentic approach. They actively reason, plan, and act on tasks, making them a powerful tool for automating complex workflows and processes across various industries. And this marks a significant leap in AI capability, where the system goes beyond passive interaction to become a problem-solving entity that can manage tasks from start to finish. So, in conclusion, AI agents are different from LLMs in their ability to autonomously plan, interact with tools, store and access knowledge, and execute actions. As they continue to evolve, they promise to reshape how we interact with technology and automate tasks in ways previously unimaginable. So, while traditional AI systems perform exceptionally well in well defined tasks, the future of AI lies in the development of agent based systems that can address broader and more complex challenges with greater efficiency and precision. By integrating the strengths of large language models with the capabilities of AI agents, we can create powerful systems that leverage the best of both worlds to solve increasingly intricate problems. In the following lectures, let's get hands-on and create our own AI agents for various use cases.